I wanted to express my sincere appreciation for the successful meeting that we just had. Those are the words of one of the participants in our last Kangundo Road meeting. And that's just one of the feedback. And the other feedback is thank you, Mr. Njehi and team. Thank you very much for organizing a special event. It may seem normal to many, but it was very resourceful. Those again are not my words. They are the words of another participants in our last meeting. But before we get to that meeting, let me give you a background of what happened during the meeting. So we had this meeting for realtors who are selling properties along Kangundo Road. This was our initial meeting under the Realtors Roundtable. And this is how the meeting was organized for those people who missed it out. All the people who are there were given a chance to introduce themselves, who they are, what they are working on, and the kind of support they would need in the market. My name is Vanessa, and I want to real estate. My name is Victor Wero. I work with Adam Zaha Properties. I'm Mercy. My name is Kamal Jija. I'm a surveyor by profession, and I'm a registered agent. My name is Don Kageka. So my name is Mr. Francis. I'm a realtor, an agent. Beyond the introductions, we got into a discussion where we discussed some of the challenges that we have been facing as real estate agent. Key among them was how we are facing trouble around trust issues, professionalism around real estate agents, and most importantly, we got to talk about all the challenges that we are having as we seek to market our properties. This became a very interesting discussion because we had different people in the room. We had Gen Zs in the room who give us ideas around how we can be able to handle digital marketing. Individuals, you should also go live on TikTok, on Facebook, reach those diaspora people, do shows, go to the plots, go live, and in that way you're going to sell. So to move like digital, to go digital. Thank you very much. The field of digital marketing is left for the Gen Z kind of thing. We had more experienced people in the room who were able to guide and advise around how to be able to do background research on properties and get properties from the actual sellers of the properties. So this was a good mix of experienced and new people in the industry, which was very informative for all of us. And as we were doing these introductions, of course, we had very good breakfast served. During those breakfast time, we were able to network with each other, which is the main aim of the meeting, being able to build these relationships. And these are relationships that can help you as a real estate agent to grow your business. Now, during this meeting, we shared those ideas, and at the end, we were able to do a site visit. We did a site visit and went out to visit some of the projects by the realtors who were there. So, for all those who missed, this was quite an eventful event. We were able to network, build relationships, and we didn't end with just the site visits. We have continued those discussions from Kangundo Road in our private WhatsApp group where we are sharing our challenges. We are also sharing properties, we are sharing inquiries so that we can be able to grow and improve sales for everybody who was there. And there will be another meeting, and I hope you attend. But if you are not on Kangundo Road, we have different chapters under Realtors Roundtables where you can be able to join one of them that is closer to you, or you can be able to join our national meeting that will be happening in Nairobi. I'm hoping you're able to see what we are building towards, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to see you in the next meeting that is planned. So see you. We need to know each other because in Kangundo Road, there is a lot of mistrust, isn't it? Yeah. So we need to know each other so that we can be able to work together. That when I know I'm dealing with my Shadra, I'll know that if I give you this client, I don't have any problem, you deliver everything until the end. That is the purpose of this meeting. So that when I'm sending a client to you, I can relate to the client the name and the figure who has given me the plots. There are so many ways of advertising our products, isn't it? Kangundo Road Marketing. I do marketing for those people who have properties. And me coming to this meeting, I was looking up for networking, also share with my fellow realtors in Kangundo Road to understand the field fully. And so far, so good. I can see the demons that chase me are the same demons chasing you. In lieu of, sometimes in this field, you don't know where you are standing, you don't know what you are missing, you don't know really what is happening, but you really know the business, but something is not just going the way you want. So that is some of the things that I'm looking up to see if somebody or some of you will have answers to them. And I'm ready to maybe interact with you and share. Thank you very much.
You're able to connect. That only has speak some volume. So I would prefer it could have been this way. We maintain the same for the time being. For the time being, which is temporary, that is. But meantime, we share the okay, like this personal, that's a suggestion per se. We suggest areas you need help, things you have in hand, I mean properties or area you need, things you need to the liquid you have in hand to release. And then some, and then I'll also look at we need to have a goal. Is it meeting based? Is it making Kangundo business related estate business be more official? As a